Patial movie summary. Kosi and Selva are contract killers working for a middleman with the ironic name, Sami. Director Vishnuvardhan portrays this morbid telling of two orphaned youths with incredible realism of trust, friendship, and ultimate betrayal. Kosi is an unblinking man with a stubborn feel for life, refusing to love and be loved. Selva, deaf and dumb, is equally intrepid, although he has a heart ticking beneath the dark, dire exterior. Saroja, a salesgirl at a garment company, is an outgoing, sprightly girl and a friend of both Kosi and Selva. She is deeply in love with Kosi, but the latter only finds her presence as a nuisance, whereas Saroja's chief manager stubbornly tries to make Saroja sleep with him. In stark contrast to this romance is the love between Selva and Sandhya, who are smitten with each other after some fate-based encounters that bring some light-hearted humor to the film. As the film progresses, Kosi and Saroja end up sleeping together when Kosi begins to drink excessively, promptly making him start to realize his feelings for Saroja. Unfortunately, this newfound happiness does not last as their profession does not allow it. Kosi and Selva set out to assassinate Avinashi Nachimuthu Gaunda, a business tycoon and a rising politician, as instructed by Sami. Kosi and Selva mutually agreed to make this assignment their last to begin leading normal lives with their newfound loves Saroja and Sandhya, respectively. A new twist occurs when the people who hired Sami tell him to finish off Kosi and Selva once the job is completed. Upon preparing for the assassination, Kosi becomes unable to think as he finds himself overwhelmed with feelings of love. Selva decides that he should finish the execution himself and Kosi should speak with Saroja. Kosi visits Saroja at her home where he finds her shivering and with bruises. Saroja then tells Kosi how her chief manager intruded on the house and sexually violated her after she refused to love him. Infuriated at this, an emotionally shaken Kosi finds the manager and beats him to a horrific death. Meanwhile, Selva had cunningly assassinated Gaunda and is returning home. The manager's boss, who happens to be a big don himself, finds out Kosi is the one responsible for the death and seeks out revenge. He gets hold of Sami and blackmails him to bring Kosi to him for his life. Unknowingly, Kosi goes with Sami and is killed in the ambush by a gunshot to his head. Selva, who returns later, finds out about this unfortunate event and seeks revenge. He visits Sandhya and questions her about Kosi's murder and the people responsible. He intrudes on the Don's house and kills everyone in his way, including the Don. When Selva returns home, Sandhya is shocked to see him with injuries. She tells him to wait by the door while she goes to call for an auto rickshaw to get them both to the hospital. Meanwhile, the irritating boy who appeared before begging for a job stabs Selva in the same approach as Selva did in the introduction scene in the hotel room. The boy, who was still recovering from the shock that he actually stabbed Selva, stabs him again multiple times when he sees Sandhya rushing towards him. Selva dies from multiple wounds and falls on Sandhya's lap. In the scene before the credits, it is shown that Sami is having a chat with the boy who committed the murder. The scene is shown as a deja vu where Sami convinces Kosi and Selva that they are all part of this scheme together. Sami uses the same dialogue with the boy, letting the audience connect that the boy will be killed too.